Yes, how far so far? How are you doing with your fertility journey? I believe we are sounding well, we are applying well, and we are understanding well. All right. We have to actually welcome ourselves so far because we are growing, we're doing fine. All right. Okay. Quick one. We'll be talking about 5 or 6 basic factors to you having challenges of fertility. Do you understand? There are 5 things you actually know that has been affecting the journey of your fertility. Do you understand? 5 things that has actually downfall your process of fertility, this journey that you have started so far, but you've not gotten that very quick answers you wanted. I actually journeyed for this very fertility for quite some long. Now I want to pinpoint certain things that has actually affected this journey. One of it is number one, pelvic inflammatory disease. There are people who have blocked fallopian tubes as a result of pelvic inflammatory disease, as a result of this very infection that has actually lasted for a period of time without you knowing. And once there is PID down there, acidity that it has actually generated will not allow the passage of sperm cells, no matter how tiny or smoothly or speedy it can actually move. All right, the second thing that has actually affected you is fibroid. Fibroid, as you can see, has become an issue that has actually been affecting ladies as a result of that very doubt of I might not survive during the surgery. I might actually work myself out through herbal drugs, holistic medicines, all those alternative medicine, using a lot of herbs to actually detoxify that tumor. This fibroid could actually be your reasons of delays in the journey of fertility that you've actually been working on. The third thing is lack of nutrients. I am talking on the basic things that has actually affected the journey of your fertility. Lack of nutrient, deficiency in certain vitamins in your system that has resulted to hormonal imbalance is actually another leading factor to the cause of the delays you're having in the fertility journey. So be aware that your fruits are everywhere. This is the right time to put up your fertility once you want to take in. This is the right time because we have avocado pear, we have guava, we have carrot, we have so many things, so many fruits that God has made for us now. We have watermelon, we have cucumber, we have so many of it. So you can actually work yourself out. You can actually work so hard at this point to be able to meet up and help yourself. So build more in actually getting your fruits this moment. Do the blending aspect of it. Do the aspect of blending a lot of fruits and taking. Enhance your enzymatic activity. This could be the possible cause of this journey that has been delayed. All right, I'm talking to people who have worked on yourself to be able to conceive and yet it's not working. So those are other things you can actually do in this very journey, making sure that the nutrients you're passing through. Yes, I've talked about the idea that it could actually be the reasons of the hormonal imbalance you're having. This lack of nutrients have not actually allowed you to actually balance yourself well due to the stress level that has actually deteriorated a lot of things in your system. Right? We'll talk about the next thing, which I call the infection journey, the infection state, the infection spread in the system. That ability to have a retained infection in your system that has actually affected your system, affected the vaginal acidity, has affected so many things when it comes to the retention of good sperms in the system that can actually swim close to that very ovary through the fallopian tubes. Those infections you are ignoring, those staphylococcus aureus, those candidiasis, do you understand? Those E. coli that has been there could actually be the reasons why you've not been getting the journey the easy way to this very journey, the answers that you're supposed to have gotten so far. Let's look at the aspect of this infection, because it could be the fact that you've been treating yourself and the husband has not been able to treat himself. That alone is a resulting factor to was the infection reoccurring itself, and on that note is affecting the journey of your fertility. So we're trying to pinpoint this. The next thing there that could actually be affecting you as well is the predisposing factor. This predisposing factor, which is the sperm quality, the sperm quantity, and the sperm motility. This morphology aspect of the sperm as well could actually be the reasons why you've not been getting the conception you seek for. This journey, we have to assess and fish out anything that could actually be affecting us. So we have to work on anything at all that could actually bring reoccurrence of infection. Maybe you've not been having your bath at night and then you're treating yourself, or you're making love to your husband without you washing down, bathing yourself well, and removing those dirt that has actually aggregated by the ties and the rest of it, and then making love and returning it back to your system and bringing forth reoccurrence of infection. I believe I'm making sense. I believe I'm making you actually see that part of your life that you're ignoring. If you're actually making love with your partner without bathing, know that it could be the cause of the reoccurrence of infection that have been ignored for some time, and then resulting delay in the process of the same conception. All right, we'll look at the idea of ovulation. Ability for you to be able to pin your ovulation is another way to actually help us in this journey. You've not been able to pin your ovulation, be able to calculate your ovulation, be able to track it very well using some teachings I've made so far, how to be able to calculate your ovulation. So be able to look out for those very 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the rest of it that I've been able to call. About 6 things I've mentioned here that could be 7 things per se that could be the possible cause of you having delay in the journey of conception. Please look into this. Fertility is the easy one. Fertility is somehow a complex one. Fertility is a journey that can actually have an ending of success. So subscribe to this very channel, our YouTube channel, follow us on our Facebook, follow us anywhere. You find out that we have a lot of information to give you so that you'll be able to take in charge of your life. Thank you so well.